Hi, my name is Gary Morris. I'm a marketing consultant here at Grafted-In, and Grafted-In as a community is designed to help you as a business owner to grow your business, to learn how to market your business in a way that you haven't done before. And I just want to say out of the gate, most people that have eventually found this channel have been marketing for years. They've had a business, they've tried to keep up with all the moving and fast paced technology, and they find themselves struggling time and time again. There's a couple different ways that maybe you've been struggling if you are anything like the people that I've worked with and am working with. Is first just getting a grasp on where really should you be marketing. What role does marketing play in your business as a whole? What does it even mean to be marketing effectively? And then other things could be maybe you've invested, maybe having your staff post things on social media. Maybe you've invested in SEO or content marketing or email marketing, and you're just not quite seeing the results that you'd like to see. Well, I'm here to tell you your frustration is accurate. A lot of times, the people that have come here have come after years and years of trying to both do it right themselves or hire out some of the work. And the most common frustrating point that people have when they finally get to this channel is they can't measure anything. Everything seems to be so off when it comes to the metrics and the way that people are measuring things. And so the point of this being in this community is to help you understand, first of all, how do we begin to know that we're making the right decisions with marketing. And yes, you can know that you're moving in the right direction. So I'm going to share with you some very simple processes and samples and give you examples on what it means to be moving in the right direction when it comes to marketing. I also want to help you to know where to start. And that's typically one of the biggest challenges. You've been trying everything and now you're just overwhelmed. So we're going to look at very simplified ways that you can systematically focus on one little part of your business, one little component of your business. And we're going to map out what does it mean to market that thing. It doesn't matter if maybe you only do one thing. Then what we're going to do is we're going to look at maybe one audience to market to. And what we want to do is take a micro market that's in your industry, or take a look at what you're already doing if you're in a micro market. Then we're going to map out what does that mean to turn on some marketing channels for this specific campaign. If you've got hundreds of products, we want to just look at one product. We want to pick one target market, and we just want to build a system and a process around your marketing efforts that can be tested, that have a positive return on your investment, and that can be repeated through other channels or other markets, other products, other buyers, a host of different ways. But you want to build it first, and then you want to begin to systematically build it out. So I'm going to share tips on how to do that here. I'll be sharing tips on things from like copywriting, how to write a good ad, how to target the right audience, how to pick the right niche. What role does different new channels mean in all of this, from TikTok to SEO to whatever it might be. So I want to help you with that. We're going to just weekly, I'll be producing content here for you as a business owner to begin to get a better grasp on where to go from here. And then I also have a paid community where you're going to be able to go and you're going to be able to get advice from other business owners who have done things similar to you, and also step-by-step courses and classes on how to do different things that will make your efforts go even further. But there will be a ton of content free here for those of you that are just struggling to figure out how to get your wheels turning. This will be the answer. Don't worry. Better times are coming around the corner. Just stay focused and let's target where your next market is. Thanks, and I'll see you on the inside.